Here's our tryout routine for 2023. We're going to start here, and we're going to begin with a figure 8, just like it showed you in our fundamental videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the figure 8, we have a forward loop, and we point our right toe. Forward 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I push with my right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right toe is pointed, and then 5 through 8 is backwards loop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice I pointed my back toe while I did that. And then we're going to end up here. So here's that whole section, the 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we have 2 sets of windmills. So here, this is where the music starts going faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and we end in horizontal. Here's that in slow motion. So we ended up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and horizontal 8. From there, we do the Charleston. I'm going to show you the whole part, and then we'll break it down. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're ready for the next section. So for the Charleston, here's the footwork. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right toe that last time to help with our spin. So we're going to swing a little bit. For all of them except the very last step, you're going to end with your heel on the ground and your toe pointed up. So here's the footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice for the back steps, I point my toe whenever I'm not putting weight on that foot. And here's the motions for the flags. With my left foot forward, flag is forward. Right foot forward, flag is backwards. Going back with my right foot, flag is forwards. Back with my left foot, flag is backwards. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and this is where I land on my toe. Spin. All right, from here, we have a left slam. So we're going to take the flag in just our right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I cradled it with my left hand, as you can see. I caught it. And you also notice I pointed my right toe over to the right. Here's that whole little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to bring it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're going to wait 2, 3, 4. Attention. 6, 7, 8. Wait 2, 3, 4. Parade rest, except your feet are going to be together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to wait for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do a waterfall. So for this waterfall, back waterfall by the way, I'm going to put my right hand over the flag. So both my left and right hands are over the flag. From there, I'm going to spin to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For that waterfall, I step to the right and my flag started going up. Step left, flag's almost over my head. Step right, step left, and continue the loop. And this is where the routine ends.